This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Step 4. Push traffic. The integration of push traffic is similar to the integration of redirect traffic. You can do it via XML, JSON, or OpenRTB. You have to send Zeropark a request every time you send a notification. One request equals one notification for one user. You need to remember that you're working only with browser push and that they only accept notifications from direct publishers. You can find the documentation on the Zeropark website. It's crucial to send all the parameters correctly so Zeropark can match your traffic with the right demand. Zeropark must have either domain or domain ID, which they prefer both, and it should refer to a website on which the user allowed notifications. Zeropark is working on a CPC model and will pay out on net 30 terms. Push ad tag can be created by a Zeropark account manager. The system will generate a unique feed which is required to send Zeropark traffic. More information can be found in the documentation. If you do not allow certain ad content, let Zeropark know. In your Zeropark panel, you can track the number of requests sent, number of impressions, clicks, and payout. If you need API reports, let your account manager know, and they will activate them for you. And lastly, be aware that they do not count any clicks with a delay from impression longer than 24 hours, and also don't register duplicated clicks.